Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, due to extreme cold, you have again having a 2 days of holidays. So today I am going to teach you the next chapter in video. Before that I will introduce you myself that I am your computer and GK teacher from LPM Public School near Tehsil Chowk, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Okay students? So students, today I am going to teach you all the exercise of chapter 8. Chapter 8 has already explained in the class. We have to do the exercise. So today I am going to solve the book exercise. Before that I will just go through the summary of the chapter. Then we will start the exercise. So let's start with summary. The name of the chapter is Playing with Multiple Sprites. Playing with multiple sprites. Just we will go through the summary, then we will start the exercise. Okay. So students, see here. The Scratch window has 4 buttons in the Choose a Sprite section to add a new sprite. It means what? The Scratch window. Whenever we are opening the Scratch, we have the Scratch window. We have 4 buttons. We have 4 buttons to choose a sprite section to add a new sprite. Means suppose if you want to add a new sprites in your Scratch window, we have 4 sections, and in that we have a choose a sprite section. From that choose a sprite section we can easily add a new sprite. The looks block menu has blocks that can hide a sprite from the stage. So in a block menu we have main list of blocks menus. In that we have looks blocks menu, and in look blocks menu we have some blocks. With the help of that blocks we can hide a sprite from the stage. Means if you don't want to hide on the stage, if you want to hide the sprite from the stage, we can use the looks block menu. Okay. Then third point is the sound block menu has blocks that lets you add sound to your project. Means if you want to add a sound in your project in your Scratch window, we can take the help of sound block menu. With the help of sound block menu, we can easily add a sound in our project. Then fourth point, you can choose and add any sound available under the Scratch library. Means I will repeat again, you can choose and add any sound available under the Scratch library. Means we have a Scratch in the Scratch library we have many varieties of sound, and any one of sound whatever we want we can choose and add it in our Scratch library. Then a backdrop is a background of the stage. What is backdrop? A backdrop is a background of the stage and is located in the backdrop library. Means backdrop is what? Backdrop is whatever the background we are giving on the stage is known as backdrop, and it is all these backdrops are located in a backdrop. If you want a backdrop, we can easily found it from the backdrop library. Last, you can change the white stage by adding new background. Suppose whenever doing your projects in a Scratch window, if you want to change the backgrounds, whenever we are opening the Scratch window, the background is always white. But if you don't want a white stage, you want to change the background, we can change it with by adding new background. Okay. So by this is the summary of chapter 8. Multiple sprites. So let's start the exercise. So first exercise is tick the correct answer. First exercise is what? Tick the correct answer. In this word, how many buttons can be used to add a new sprite on the stage? I repeat again, how many buttons can be used to add a new sprite on the stage? And the answer is 4. Means we can we have 4 buttons. We have 4 buttons which is used to add a new sprites on the stage. Then come to the next, it is second one. How many buttons can be used to add a new backdrop on the stage? How many buttons can be used to add a new backdrop on the stage? And the correct answer is 4. Means we have 4 buttons to add a new backdrop on the stage. Then third one, which tab is used to add a new sound on the stage? Can you guess which tab is used to add a new sound on the stage? Yeah, it is sounds tab. It is what? Sounds tab. The sound tab is used to add a new sound on the stage. Then question number 4. Which block menu has the blocks to show or hide a sprite from the stage? Can you know which block menu has blocks to show or hide a sprite from the stage? Yeah, the correct answer is looks block menu. Looks block menu has the blocks to show or hide a sprite from the stage. And last 5th one, the upload sprite button enables you to add any image from the upload sprite button enables you to add any image from the option is internet, computer, sprite library. And the correct answer is computer. Correct answer is what? Computer. From computer we can upload sprites buttons which can be add image from the the upload sprite button enable you to add any image from the computer. Okay, so by this we have completed exercise 8. Take the correct answer. Now we go to the next one, that is exercise B, fill in the blanks. Exercise B, fill in the blanks. So in fill in the blanks we have 5 questions. Let's start one by one. The first one is, the sprite dash contains all the information for each sprite. The sprite dash contains all the information for each sprite. The answer is info pen. The answer is what? Info pen. See here, INFO, info, PANE, pen. The correct answer is info pen. Okay, now come to the next, that is second one. Dash button is used to load additional blocks to a project. I repeat the question. Dash button is used to load additional blocks to a project. And the correct answer is add extension. And the correct answer is what? Add extension. ADD add, EXTENSION, add extension. Okay, then come to the next one, that is third one. To record a new sound, click on the dash button. I repeat again. To record a new sound, click on the dash button. And the answer is record. 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 Then question number 4. See here, the change effect by block is a part of the dash block menu. I repeat the question. The change effect by block is a part of the dash block menu. And the correct answer is looks. LOOKS. Looks block. The change effect by block is a part of the looks block menu. Now next, that is question number 5. The dash contains various scratch background. The dash contains various scratch background. And the correct answer is backdrop library. Backdrop library. Spelling is BACKDROP. Backdrop LIBRARY. Backdrop library. So the backdrop library contains various scratch background. So by this we have completed exercise B, fill in the blanks. Now let's start exercise C, that is true or false. In this we have 5 questions. So true or false, we have 5 questions. First one is, let's start. There is only one method to add a new sprite on the stage. I repeat the question. There is only one method to add a new sprite on the stage. It is true or false, student? Yes, it is false. Why it is false? F-A-L-S-E, false. Why it is false? Because we have 4 methods to add a new sprite on the stage. Okay. So this statement is false. Now come to the next, that is second one. We can add multiple sprites in a Scratch project. We can add multiple sprites in a Scratch project. So can you guess this statement is true or false? Yeah, this statement is true. T-R-U-E, true. Okay. Now come to the next, that is third one. Scratch has a backdrop library. Scratch has a backdrop library. So what can you guess? This statement is true or false? Yeah, it is true. Scratch has a backdrop library. So answer is true. T-R-U-E, true. Then come to the next, that is fourth one. The green flag button is located at the top right corner of the stage. The green flag button is located at the top right corner of the stage. Can you guess this statement? Yeah, this statement is also true. T-R-U-E, true. Then last question. Fifth one. You cannot record a new sound in Scratch. I repeat the statement. You cannot record a new sound in Scratch. So students, can you guess this statement is true or false? Yeah, yes, it is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Can you guess why it is false? I repeat the statement. You cannot record a new sound in Scratch. It is false. Why? Because we can add a new sound in Scratch. We can record a new sound in Scratch. So students, by this we have completed chapter 8. Okay, all exercises A, B and C. Okay, so please go through all these chapter 8 all exercise playing with multiple sprites. The name of the chapter, go through all these exercises, fill your books and also write it in your fair copy with the help of PDF I will send. We will meet in the next video with the questions and answers. For that time, bye. And stay home safely. Okay? Write it in your copy in a good handwriting, in a good manner. Don't use lead pencils. Okay? Use pens and please make a good handwriting for it.